So recently, one of my friends came to me and asked if I could design a logo for her luxury real estate business. And as someone who talks about AI every day, I thought, why stop at just a logo? Why not use AI to build her entire brand? So today, I'm using a powerful AI platform called design.com, which can create logos and complete branding assets in just a few minutes. No professional designer needed. Let's see if AI can take Scarlett's real estate brand to the next level. The platform's link is in the description if you want to try it yourself. You land on the site, click Logo from the menu, then just type in a description of the logo you're picturing. What do you want to design? After that, type in your business name. In our case, it's Evermont Luxury Properties. Then hit send, and boom! Based on your description and business name, Design.com's AI whips up a whole bunch of unique logo designs for you. Quick tip though, the AI also picks up on keywords from your description and business name automatically. Check it out, you get logos in a ton of different styles. No design skills needed, no agency, no nothing. For this one brand alone, Design.com's AI cranked out 14,400 unique logo options. That's wild. Now, let's find one we like. Ooh, I'm into this one. Tap on it, and it opens right up in the logo editor. And here's the cool part. If you want to fine-tune anything, you've got full creative flexibility. Let's start with the text. You can change your logo's font anytime you want. There's a library of over 750 fonts to pick from, and more than 525 of them are exclusive to Design.com. Next up, layout. Design.com gives you a bunch of different positioning options for your logo so you can see how the text and icon look together before you lock anything in. Then there's the background. You can instantly test out different colors or gradients behind your logo to see what actually fits your brand. You can do the same thing with the logo's own colors too. Just click and swap in new shades in seconds. Want to add something extra? There's a shape library with over 62,000 custom vector shapes. Just search for what you need and drop it right in. And last but not least, animation. You can bring your logo to life with motion, whether it's just one piece moving or the whole design. Perfect for websites or social media profiles. But okay, here's the real highlight, the AI editing. Watch this. Let's add a crane to the left side of the building. I type the prompt for that, hit send, and in just a few seconds, the AI adds the crane right into my logo, and everything else stays exactly the same. That's Design.com's custom-trained AI basically doing the design work for you. Then I save my progress, tap preview, and it shows my logo out in the real world, on mock-ups, business cards, website headers, and a few other formats too. Tap on Proceed to Download button for logo files. Design.com gives you a bunch of different file formats to pick from. One more thing. Pick your industry from the drop-down menu. Based on that, the platform automatically builds out your brand assets for you. Website, Instagram posts, business cards, and more. Now, head to Create New Design. This is where the platform really starts to shine. Instead of starting with a blank page, you get a stream of AI-generated designs that already feel alive. Just scroll through and watch your brand come to life across different formats. Let's make a website. Design.com gives you a bunch of different AI-generated website designs to choose from. Pick one you like, and the website editor pops right open. From here, you can change literally everything. Text, images, video, you name it. I swap out some text and change a few images. Once I'm done editing, I hit publish, then type in the domain name I want. I enter mine, hit publish, and just like that, my site is live and hosted. And honestly, it looks stunning. You can make a business card the exact same way. This platform's got a bunch of professional business card designs ready to go. I pick one, then update the name and other details on it. You can even add a QR code right from here. Just tap QR code. It gives you a bunch of ways to customize it. I pick website, type in my URL, and generate the code. Within seconds, it's added straight onto my business card. Such a cool feature. After that, I download my business card, and again, it gives me a few different format options to pick from. Design.com also gives you tons of Instagram posts and stories, all matched to your brand. Just grab one and post it, no designer needed. Just scroll through the designs. You'll see a whole feed of options, all already using your logo colors and brand style. Take your time, see what catches your eye, and there, I'm liking this one. Tap on it, and it opens right up in the editor. I change up the content on that post. Everything else, my logo, my brand colors, stays exactly where it should be. I don't have to touch that part. Once it's looking good, I hit download, and boom, it's ready. My post made in my brand, ready to go straight to Instagram. Super cool. And honestly, I'm pretty impressed with what AI was able to create. From the logo to the complete branding, Design.com made the entire process super simple and beginner-friendly. So if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more crazy AI tools that can save you time and money, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.